Welcome to Enticing Visuals, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my music. So first things first, what we do is we grab a beat, usually a tight beat from YouTube, and because I don't really make profits off my music just yet, just because I don't have a beat plug, but it's okay as long as it says free. Give credits if they say so, and go from there. Ha! So now I pull up my lyrics after I have my beat. I drop my beat in GarageBand, and yeah, let's just get right to it, dude. God dogs in my crib, I got me like 2 picks.
Nah, that ain't it, y'all.
Listen, man. You
nah.
I messed up. So first thing I always do is I always just go balls to the wall, try to record it in one take. And if I mess up, I restart, you know what I mean? But I always try to get that one take action. Yeah. First verse. God dogs in my crib, I got me like 2 piss. Warzone in the crib, I got me like 2-6. Zaza, I be smoking, I got me like 2 zips. Dripping too hard with the day comes with 2 fists. Choking on my bitch, yeah, something like a pool stick. Brody call me tweaking, clean the ops like a broomstick. Oh, well, wouldn't you call that just amazing? So now I go back and I listen to it and I make some edits here, there, everywhere. You know how I'm coming.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, so that verse came out just how I wanted it to. 2 takes. 2 takes. So all it took was 2 takes for the first verse. You heard? Alright, so now I go to the second verse. I set up 2 slides because sometimes I like to punch in on these type of beats. This is like a Detroit Flint type beat, so I usually like to punch in just because it always sounds a lot better, but that's usually not my go-to. But you know, working out sometimes it sounds really, really, really good.
What did he say?
Facts. Next verse. All the money just landed, I'm gonna take a vacation. I don't play no games, I don't got a PlayStation. I'm a true born savage, forever true native. I be speaking real life shit, I'm not faking. Put BBS's on my wheels, now I'm racing. Ooh, damn. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I done did it again. Somebody call the doctor. Somebody come get him, he's spitting on this track.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Third verse. Oh, BN slid up in my DMs feeling, nope, I don't like that one. So what I do is I go back and I re-record it because I'm that nit. YBN slid in my DMs feeling activated. My name be flying around town, y'all agitated. Money spread like coronavirus, I'm infatuated. I ran out of breath. So I come back in on that third verse because I split it halfway. So I cut. But yeah. So let's do it again. You ain't really doing shit. You are just exaggerating. And I'll be working hard for what I got. I'm just glad I made it. My voice be sicking to your ears like some condensation. I like that one a little bit better. I can already tell. Let's do it again. Let's hear it again. Yeah. Yeah, like Nike Check, just do it! So now we go for numero 4. And by the way, the song has no chorus. Yeah, facts. Slowly take control of the state, it's monopoly. I'll be talking shit for 2 years and no one's stopping me. Maybe it's because I'm that nigga who they wanna be. I'ma make the cash every day, that's how it's gotta be. I'm a greedy nigga, all the seafood that I'm ordering. Server fucked up the Kool-Aid, the shit watery. There ain't enough flavor. On to the next verse. I be eating fancy dinners, yeah, I'm living lavishly. I keep fucking up and I got my girl mad at me. Gotta hold it down and make it right, no fuckery. I don't fuck with niggas that be cap, y'all be under me. Soar above the rest and leave the fakes wondering. EVGRS for first of companies. Ooh, yeah, that was the one right there. I know that was one. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that sounds about good for the next one, and I'll be right back at ya. Alrighty, mate. I have the last verse. Let's do it. Start from the top, do it again, okay? Y'all really got me tight cause I'm the one who's him. Fuck all the rest, y'all be capped like my brim. I don't fuck with rats, I'ma step on them. I'll be speaking facts, bitch, I'm slim like Jim. Like I'm from the west, got that cowboy from within. Hoo-hoo! Alright, so now it's time to add some ad-libs. So I never really write ad-libs down because I think that's foolish. I just like to speak from my heart. I like to speak my true feelings.
I wanna kill my mom. What the?
Alright, let's do ad-libs. I usually do one take and run it all the way through.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
Yeah! Woo! Brr. Damn!
3 days later.
Alright, so now after the ad-libs are done, now what I do is I do this thing called doubles. I don't really like to do it a lot just because I get lazy and like I don't live to my full potential, not potential. No, I'm just playing, but no, sometimes I do get lazy because I don't feel like fucking doing them sometimes, so they're just annoying as fudge. But sometimes they do make the song sound more complete in the long run. So like, my message of the day is just give it all. You know, like, you gotta give it all. Like you're on the 40-yard line and you have your coach screaming in your fucking ear to get down on all fours and take it like a little. You give it a little bit more punch. You grab it by the throat and fucking choke it.
God dogs, 2 pits, 2 six, 2 zips, 2 fits, a pool stick, a broomstick, vacation, PlayStation.
Alright, and now that I've done the doubles, now what I do is I go back over everything and just bring it all together like a full-on. Alright, so now I have it all put together. So now the next thing I do is I save it. Boom. I'm gonna call this one Infatuated. All I do, because it's easy, is I literally just convert it to a uncompressed wave file, so nothing gets compressed. So when you want to post it to like a SoundCloud or like Apple Music or anything like that, you usually want to use MP3 files or waves. But waves are better because they don't get the quality doesn't get distorted from a wave file. So I've been told. But yeah, so now I just gotta bing, gotta boom, bada bang, and then I airdrop it to myself. So then I have it on my phone ready to go, easy money, you heard? So now what we do is we listen. This is Sparta. Guard dogs in my crib, I got me like 2 pits. Warzone in my crib, I got me like 2 6. Zaza, I be smoking, I got me like 2 zips. Dripping too hard every day, coming 2 bits. Choking on my bitch, yeah, something like a pool stick. Brody call me tweaking, call the ops like a broomstick. The money just landed, I'ma take a vacation. I don't play no games, I don't got a PlayStation. I'm a true born savage, forever true native. I be speaking real life shit, I'm not faking. Put BBS's on my wheels, now I'm racing. Ooh, what's he saying? Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more of everything that I do. Don't forget to follow, leave a like, and share with your friends. My message to you at the end of the day is to always be great. Do what you have to do. Don't worry about anybody else but yourself. Don't worry about anything. You will be okay. Stay well. Live your life. Ya heard? Bink.